Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Hi, my name is Taryn. I live in Central Florida. I love putting out YouTube videos on hair, makeup, lifestyle, and of course like unboxing haul videos, which is what we are doing today. Today we are going to be opening our Bibbidi box, and this is a super exciting one because it is my birthday box. My birthday was Valentine's Day, so I am just getting to my box now. It's been sitting on my desk for about a week taunting me, so it's time. We're about to open this. Let's do this. Keep on watching for more. So for those of you that don't know, Bibbidi is basically a subscription service. They have several different boxes you can choose from. This one is the ultimate box. They have different boxes starting at about $10 that have pins. They have boxes for every sort of fandom, I guess you could say. So they have Marvel, they have Harry Potter, and they also have Disney, which is what I go for. I also really love the Harry Potter box, but now that we are watching the Marvel movies, maybe we'll go into that one too. But for now, we are going with the Disney Ultimate box. So we are about to open it. It is my birthday box, so of course, I've been looking forward to this the whole time. Happy birthday! I'm so excited. Every box comes with a lovely little pamphlet when you open it up. Now this one has my little birthday card in here. So this one has this and wishing you a magical birthday. Everything is just so well done, so well made. And then of course, we have the good old packing slip. Now, if you do not want any spoilers, do not open the packing slip. Keep that up in there and you can look at it at the end to see all of the special deals that you got from your box. I love these. I end up framing them and like hanging them on my wall just because these are like their little custom ones for each month. This is the bag it came in. It's super heavy and it's like a square shape, so I wonder what's in here. I use these bags for everything. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I want to start with. What kind of voice was that? All right, so the first thing is a cutting board. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's Tangled inspired. These are custom made, and I'll give you more of the information when I do the packing slip at the end, but this is so beautiful. I know they have a special deal with the company that does make these. They also are responsible for making my watch band, I believe, but this is the Tangled. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, and it's very, very heavy and well made. So like, okay now, I really, really love that. We just bought a house, so like anything that goes with the house is perfection. Holy cow. They always surprise me with like the best bags. If you are looking for a bag from Daniel Nicole, from Loungefly, then head on over to Bibbidi's website because they have not only the boxes and the subscription services, but they also have workout wear, which you will see a familiar face. They have leggings, they have bra tops, they have Loungefly bags, they have Daniel Nicole bags. They have so many things that you can order separately, as well as the boxes and subscription services. So this is a brand new from the Princess Collection, Disney Loungefly, and it comes with a pin to start your collection. So it comes with this super cute little glass slipper on the pillow. So this is the pin that it came with. Oh my gosh, it's so, so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I have been looking for a bag that holds pins because I want to start pin trading again. It's like they read my mind. How did they know? They always know. So this is magnetic, and then this part secures on the front. Oh, this is so cute and so unique. Oh, I love it. With little Gus down at the bottom. And then it is a backpack. So many details. The little key. Just like, I just love that it's the book. Oh my gosh, so, so pretty. This is how it opens, by the way. So kind of like an awkward opening, but it's all good, it's all good. We got a candle. This is now my third Wishes Candle Co. candle, and this is called Rose's Chocolate Candy, Loads of Love, in a collaboration with Bibbidi. So these are exclusive. Smell. Do you smell that? It smells so good. So the cool thing about these candles is that when you melt them down, there is a pin on the inside. So we really like these in our household. So the last one that we had was the churro candle. And so when I melted that one down, there was a stitch pin on the inside that had two little heart eyes. It was part of the little like emoji set. Oh, I reached into this bag one more time because it felt like something was floating around, and I got a mystery pin. So on the back, you'll see these little pink stickers, and it says Disney Parks and Resort exclusive, which is so cool that a subscription service like this offers Disney Park exclusive merchandise. So if you have a little sticker on there like this, that means this came right from the parks. These are the different options we can get. So let's see which one. I'm praying for Steamboat Willie because we all know that I love him. I am very much a Fab Five kind of girl, but Steamboat Willie and Sorcerer Mickey are my go-to, like, I'm obsessed with them so much. I got the one that I wanted. Guys, I got the Steamboat Willie. Oh my gosh. For those of you that don't know, I was Steamboat Willie for a Disney Bound for Dapper Day, like what, 2 years ago? Oh, rip Dapper Day. We'll insert the picture right here. Chris and I looked so cute that day. Steamboat Willie inspired. I got everything off Amazon. It was so much fun. Pre-masks. Ugh. Steamboat Willie, Sorcerer Mickey, have my heart. I am obsessed. That was so much fun. Especially since it's not my birthday anymore and it's been like 2 weeks. So to open up another birthday present, thanks Bibbidi, that was awesome. Now you want to go back to your packing slip and you're going to want to look through and see what your deal was. So mine was curated with love by Amanda. I love Amanda. So first off, we have the Disney Parks Magical Mystery Pin Set. That was $6.99. Well worth it because I got the one that I wanted. I just talked about pin trading. He's not getting traded. We have the Foothills Forge, and that is an exclusive custom laser engraved marble, which is the top, and wood charcuterie board with handle. Super, super cute. I can't even begin to tell you the weight of this and how nice of a product this is. Not only because it is the most gorgeous design on it, but the wood in general is absolutely stunning. And oh, I can't. So anyways, that was $36.99. And then this Loungefly is one of the more expensive ones. It's $75 retail. And then the Bibbidi Wishes Candle exclusive is $20. So it ended up coming out to $138.98. So amazing, so worth the money. And you get so many fun items that normally you wouldn't purchase for yourself. I would never go and buy a charcuterie board for myself. But you better believe that I will be using this in the brand new house because it is one, my favorite princess, and two, it is like the perfect size for Chris and I to just have a little snack. We've been rewatching all of the Marvel movies. We're trying to watch them all in order. So just having something where we can have a little snack and like have it really pretty and stuff is going to be so much fun. Of course, we're going to light this right next to it because we got to get to that mystery pin. And then you better believe that this is going to be my brand new bag. Bibbidi is like the hardest for me. I have so many Loungeflies and so many Daniel Nicole bags from them that when I go to leave to go to the parks, I'm always like, which one do I pick? I never know. But this one is coming to me on my next trip to Magic Kingdom. I can't wait to take a picture of this in front of the castle. It's so dreamy. And I think they still have out the Cinderella carriage over in Fantasyland, so that would be a really cool spot to take photos too. I am working on trying to come up with, for my blog, a locations kind of like tutorial, like map out of like places you can take really cool photos at the Magic Kingdom, at Hollywood Studios, Epcot, at Universal, around Central Florida. So that is something that I am starting my project on. Not really sure if I want to start it on here on YouTube, if you guys prefer it to be a video version, if you think photo version would be helpful so that I can put the addresses and things like that in there. I'm kind of like a mix between the two. It's just really hard to take photos and video at the same time. I get really distracted. So we're working on it. But if you guys could let me know down below what you would prefer for like photo locations or for like just photo posing, things like that in general that Chris and I can share with you guys, I would love to do that. So let me know down below if you would like that written in like an Instagram post or a blog post, or if you would like that for a YouTube video or even an Instagram reel. We can totally do that as well. So definitely let me know down below. If you are looking for an amazing subscription service, the way that Bibbidi works is that you will order your subscription box, and then within a couple weeks or within that month, you will get an email that says you have to go in and do your Bibbidi exclusive, like your favorites. And so you'll fill out a questionnaire. It has everything from t-shirts to candles to pins, and you kind of fill out exactly what you like. If you are someone that really likes collectibles and figurines, pins, things like that from the parks, then your box will be curated based off of what you really, really like, which is why I love this subscription service so much, which is why I work with them, which is why I will always support them, because they are incredible at getting to know you as a customer, and they are just amazing at what they do. Every single person that I've ever spoken to that has received their Bibbidi box is so happy with everything that they get in it, because it's filled with things that you normally either wouldn't buy for yourself, or it's just like such a surprise that they knew what you liked. They get to know which characters you like, which movies you like, if you really like Loungefly backpacks, if you really like crossbodies. They get to know you on a different level, guys. And they create these boxes with so much love. And it's a whole family team, and I just love and adore them so much. They are the most amazing people to work with. So I am very, very thankful that I get to work with them every day. I will put my coupon codes down below, and so that you can click on the links, you can put in the coupon codes, you can save some money. I have 2 different codes, so be sure to use the right code down below. But other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing day. Chris and I are actually heading to Universal today, but we're really excited because Universal is doing Mardi Gras right now, and we're gonna go get some beads, we're gonna go have some food and drinks, and it's gonna be a really good time. So hopefully I can vlog that for you guys as well. If not, definitely check out my stories. You can follow me on Instagram. I will put my link down below. It is Dream Along with Taryn, Instagram, TikTok, and my blog is www.dreamalongwithtaryn.com. I will be adding more things up there as well, and you can also find my latest YouTube videos on there too. If you like this video, then definitely hit subscribe, hit that like button, that bell. Let me know what you like in the comments down below, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.